Once they stood near the outskirts of Chennai, a mighty mountain. The mighty mountain stood majestically and watched over the whole land. On this mighty mountain, there was life in all its forms. Tiny seeds buried deep in the earth. Tiny seeds waiting for the sun to shine. Tiny seeds waiting for the rain to fall. Tiny seeds growing into tall trees. Tall trees covering the mountainside. Tall trees standing still and graceful. Beautiful butterflies buzzing around. Beautiful butterflies and bees flitting their wings. Butterflies and bees and insects flapping their wings.
All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their tiny wings. The purple-headed mountain, the river running by, the sunrise in the morning that brightens up the sky. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all.